CustomTools 2024 Service Pack 0 adds some important enhancements for custom scopes. But what are custom scopes? Well, they are additional rows of data that you can store for each model. For example, component routings or manufacturing process steps. Let's add one more routing step to this side panel. This custom scope information can be configured to be visible in CustomTools Export, which is used for ERP integrations and for generating Excel-based reports. You could also use custom scopes to define vendor code and description for purchased components, or simply property value variants like other allowed colors. One of the new enhancements is the possibility to use color properties also in custom scopes. It's all freely configurable and you can define up to 4 completely different custom scopes. For example, one for routings, one for color variants, one for vendors, and one for virtual items. Another very powerful enhancement is the possibility to use search groups with custom scopes, which allows you to pull raw information using live queries from third-party systems. Like here, I'm adding additional items to my design BOM from Business Central as I don't want to model these items. So they are virtual items in my export bill of materials. As a cherry on a cake, you can now define a quantity property for your custom scopes, and this quantity property is respected by the CustomTools export.
We are in the life-saving business. We kill your routines before they kill you.